Hi, this is Sumit and I'm from IIC. I have been an e-commerce entrepreneur from last 10 years. I have been exporting products. I did my master's in international trade. I worked with Alibaba Group and then I made a clear vision that I should focus on exports and e-commerce is the way for that. But one product that I really like to export is silver jewelry. Here, you do not have to invest money in buying the product or sourcing the inventory or keeping anything. I'll give you everything as a plug and play model, the store builder, the mentorship and guidance so that you can build the business. And I will also give you the contact of suppliers so that you can directly contact them, upload their products into the e-commerce store. And I will also teach you how to find buyers. I will also give you the database of buyers who can buy these products from you internationally. I purely focus on exports. I do not want to sell these products in Indian market for a single reason that in India, if you are sourcing and selling a silver jewelry, they will give you very less profits that you cannot survive. But when we export, the cost of export, the logistics is very less because it's a small item product. So when you sell something which is like a silver jewelry, they have got good demand because it's a financial asset in itself. Silver, gold, these are financial units. So if you are doing a business like this, you'll be able to make great amount of profit. So today in this video, I'll be sharing the strategies how you can start and export products online with my support as a plug and play ready-made business. So join with me till end so that you can actually have something meaningful in life. So if you simply see this like this is like silver jewelry necklace, 1,000 sales last month, 1,000 sales last month. So these products have got a global demand. These products we can sell everywhere. Amazon is one example. I will also show you etsy.com. Here also you can see silver jewelry are there. And these products have got very good reviews, like 6,000 plus people have given 4.6-star review. Same if you see lazada.com, this is Singapore's website. Here also you can see good number of sales happening for silver jewelry. And this is Rakuten, this is Japan's website. Here also you can see these silver items are getting sold, sterling silver. And this is noon.com, this is Dubai's website. Here also you can see these silver jewelry products are sold. So an interesting fact is silver jewelry is a high demand product and we can start doing the business of that. So I have got a plug and play e-commerce export startup opportunity for you for silver jewelry and ornaments. I'll provide you the contact of the supplier from whom we can directly connect and list the products into the e-commerce store and start selling them. I already have an e-commerce store builder where you just have to link your domain name instead of mine. In my case, I'm doing about $1 million sales and I'm focusing purely on wholesale, that is B2B. And these are my analytics for last 30 days. Let me refresh it for you so I can show that this is not a screenshot, this is real. And this is my lifetime of sales. And I'm only considering about having B2B deals. So here I'm focusing on bulk. So same way you can also do. And I'm also giving you softwares and tools for doing digital marketing, for live chat and for SEO, for AI, everything. So you can have your own domain name. You can directly add your staff members into this e-commerce business and directly collect payment from customers to your bank account. So this is a legit e-commerce business opportunity where you can start selling products on Amazon and other marketplaces and also through your own e-commerce store to start making profits. So this is the business opportunity of silver because silver is a high demand product. So you can of course get sales. You just have to list the product designs and people who are interested, they'll come and buy from you. Within a few months, you'll be able to start making profits because silver jewelry, once you start marketing in Instagram also, you can start seeing sales. But the only thing is you have to learn the art how to do that. So that I'll be teaching you in my e-commerce business program. Before I go ahead with this, I just want to tell you that I'm passionate for training people and startups, founder about e-commerce business opportunities, export business opportunities. Silver jewelry is one interesting niche which I'm so much passionate to explore because I feel that silver jewelry has a very high demand in the global market and we can export a lot. These are some of my entrepreneurs who are already working with me. They have successfully set up their e-commerce businesses. I previously worked with government bodies and also with companies like Amazon, Alibaba. So you can also learn these skills from me about how to do e-commerce exports. These are some of my data related to the affiliations with top companies like AICT and Amazon and Alibaba and many more brands. And I'm one of the mentors here since I worked with Alibaba and Amazon in the past. So the experience and expertise that I can bring for you on table, you can actually leverage this and you can get the best out of us by doing more and more sales of your e-commerce products. So I'm here in IIC since 2015. We get it registered as a Section 8 non-profit organization. Many of my students have already been working in top e-commerce companies. So you can get support from us since our students are satisfied and we are seeing that if they're giving us good reviews for their success, that means it motivates us a lot to continue to train you and mentor you related to e-commerce business opportunity. So let me now tell you about the e-commerce business program itself. So this is an all-in-one program. Here you can master the art of e-commerce sales. I will be providing you the e-commerce store builder, and I'm also providing you the 17 different modules. These modules that I'm giving you, these are the live training and support plus recorded contents plus ebooks and white papers, case studies plus certifications, 17 certificates bundle. So this is going to be live practical training that I'm giving you. So this entire program, whatever I'm giving you, is coming with an all-in-one support. That means lifetime you will have access, lifetime you will have update, lifetime you will get support. So this program is coming with mentors and experts who will be also guiding you. So whether you're a student, working professional, business owner, or a freelancer, you can keep learning from us. And this program, Certified E-commerce Professional, this is a complete program. Means you do not have to do any other program after doing this program, because in this program you're going to learn everything that is related to e-commerce business management and digital marketing. So I have done a lot of research. Instead of having separate programs, I clubbed them all and made a single program with lifetime access update support, so that you do not have to worry about paying anything extra again. And I have made sure that these are recorded contents which are also available for you for lifetime, so that these contents provided by Amazon and Alibaba are always there with you. And not only that, even if you want to venture into some other niche also, you can learn about different business ideas that I have. So you can get started with an e-commerce business where you feel that you can make $1 million out of it. People are already doing it. You have already seen this in Amazon, in Etsy, in Lazada, in Rakuten, all these international sites. People are selling and making great profits. So if you want that happiness, if you want that financial freedom, I recommend you to get started with an e-commerce business today. So this is the plug and play business opportunity where you can name your store, add the products, and start selling. So get started with this ready-made business opportunity. If you have any questions, doubts, and you want to know more, you can please connect with me. I'll be happy to assist you with this plug and play business opportunity, which comes with the database of buyers, suppliers, and also the e-commerce store builder along with the mentorship. So mentorship, whatever you're seeing here, this is also included in this. So click on this and you can see all the details available here. Now, if you want to pay this amount and you want to pay in EMI, you can click on this. It will take you to the page where you can select the credit card, and whichever the credit card you have, click on that and select how many months of EMI you want. For example, you want 24 months EMI, so you can go for this, and that's all. So we were talking about exporting silver jewelry from India to the global market without holding them. So there is a manufacturer, that manufacturer has got silver jewelry, we list them into the e-commerce store and we start selling them. It's a very simple to do business process, and we will give this business opportunity to you. So even if you're a working professional, you can get started with sales. Once it is starting to do about 10 to 12 lakh rupees of monthly profit, then you can leave your job and focus full time into this e-commerce business. Since I never did the job, I only focused on building e-commerce businesses. So I invest in e-commerce companies, I invest in startups. I also help and mentor startups like you so that you can build your e-commerce business from scratch. Thank you so much. I want to see you as a student so that we can work together on this e-commerce export opportunity.